Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Yaqeen Institute's Proof of Prophethood series, an ethical and historical necessity. If you are a Muslim and a person of faith, then believing in prophethood probably comes second nature. As a fundamental aspect of Islam, we believe in the truthfulness of prophethood, its values and importance. Denying any of the prophets or any aspect of their ministry would ultimately mean denying the one who named the prophets. But have you ever stopped and thought about the necessity of prophethood? How prophethood benefited past and current generations? What nations would be like without a prophet? In the next few videos, we'll cover why nations and societies need prophethood, the ethical need to believe in God's messengers, as well as examine the multitude, variety, and clarity of the proofs of various prophets. Specifically, we'll look at the life of the final messenger Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. We'll briefly demonstrate that the coming of the final prophet was inevitable, considering every generation's need for it, the world conditions of his age, and the biblical prophecies surrounding his ministry. Ready to start learning more? Join us in video number 2, where we'll cover the ethical need to believe in the prophets. Thank you for watching Yaqeen Institute and helping us dismantle doubt and nurture conviction, one truth at a time.